It is a Monday, and y'all know what happens on Mondays. It's cybernetic orb. The time to make some kind of cybernetic monstrosity called the AVIGEN. Oh my, it's time for the AVIGEN again. Ah yes, I always love these days. When I can work on this, let's go. Welcome everyone to Avatar Mondays, where it is time to work on avatars on Mondays, because that makes sense. And for some reason, I don't know how that happened, but I'm still chocolate. Hello. I have become chocolate for the entirety of Easter. And I feel like because Easter's about to end, I'm gonna be fully melted soon. So yeah. Last time you're gonna see me in chocolate. For a little while at least. How y'all doing? Hopefully you're doing good. I am doing fan-flipping-tastic. It's AVIGEN time, but what I'm not feeling good about is that I'm on a location tomorrow, so I have way less time to work on the AVIGEN than any other Mondays. Why you do this? Why does the job do this to me? But regardless, AVIGEN time, so yeah. Put a trap around the area so you don't get chucked all over. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna, the whole floor is gonna be full of chocolate. That big old, like, 40 kilos or something of chocolate. Oh dear. It's gonna be one heavy pile of chocolate. But, yeah, it should be fine. Don't worry. But yeah, so AVIGEN time. So since last time, where's the AVIGEN? Oh, Unity's lagging. So since last time, since Thursday actually, because I moved last week's Avatar Mondays to Thursday. Right now, like we started Unity last week. And right now I'm still in that step. And since then I actually modified the shader to actually support transparency a little bit. Right there. Why in the heck am I jittering all over the place? Well, okay then. Okay, this really lagging. My computer is having problems here. Why is it having so many problems with the computer? Are you alright? I don't think my computer's alright. Let me close this. Let me close absolutely everything that's useless. I need to keep that opened. Disable this. Yeah, it's still having problems. Huh. I don't know. At this point, there's not much I can do. But yeah, since last week, I took the light shader and I managed to fit them for like the light beams here, which was pretty neat. And that also includes the ones between the legs. Why not? So that was done, and also I have started on the screens shader, which is right here. And it was that's what I was going to be working on a bit of today. And what was the next thing I was about to do? Oh, right, I was about to do something here. Yeah, so right now, the screen shader supports having effect selected. You can set the resolution, can set the tiling, which only affects the textures underneath, not the subpixels, and also an offset, for which will actually be fine. It's not actually gonna like clip in between pixels. I can set it to be pental or stripes. I can set the black levels, or I can set it to be OLED. So that's what's currently supported by it. But I do want to actually add in some extra support on this as like a function. And then I'll be able to animate this. And one thing I'd want to try is actually do a custom editor for this. I wonder if that's gonna work. Because I've never really done any custom editors in the past. Man, I'm gonna learn one day. So what was I about to do down there? I was gonna take the mix subpixels. So get local var, subpixel mix, this over here. Like this. The check could do, yeah, potentially. That's a float. So that float smoothness of pixels. And maybe get a like another text sample here for smoothness, subpixels, map. There we go. Gotta put a multiply there. Well, that's white. Yeah. Copy this. In between. Like this. So I'll be able to set the smoothness separately. So in between is gonna be this one, and the subpixel is gonna be that. Oh, I could just set the, you know, just one value without doing all of this. Subpixels. Albedo. And this one's gonna be in between subpixels, albedo. And I'm gonna do a color map, color node, right here. For the in between subpixels. pixels tint. Eat. Okay, this one starts white. Subpixels tint, property, and property. There you go. So now this is smoothness, and this is the color. Panel texture, and this would be the texture is going to be panel smoothness. How complicated is that shader? It's that complicated. There's the local var. Panel smoothness. And another register. Panel. Texture. Like this. So get local var. Smoothness. Texture. Okay. One smoothness, and one is texture. If I unplug this, I could do, okay, what would be the default values? By default, the texture is going to be completely black. That's my idea. There we go. .95, I guess. And in between, I'm gonna set that, I don't know, 6 or 7. So now, yeah, there it is. Now you can see the difference. Yeah, that works. There you go. You got choco bun. Nice. You got a choco bun. Yeah, I got on mine. I got little chocolate biscuits. I don't know if they're like they're the big cookies or like some kind of cake, but they're like more cookie texture than cake. And also a lot of cupcakes. That's nice. That is... Why is it like this? Eh? Why is the normal like this? I just noticed. Huh. I'm gonna have to go check that. Cookie from Easter too. Nice! Cookies. Goddamn cookies. Let's make it a day mission. There we go. Now the dash screen should be working. I wonder how would it look out with the visor. Once I turn it back on. I can I see the reflective of the screen behind. That's dope. Okay, what brightness is gonna be required to actually get through? It's 750 seems to be high blue number. Forget to don't call. I don't know. I know I'm supposed to be blue, but for some reason I think Easter morphed me to chocolate, and I'm melting. I feel like I'm gonna melt by the end of the episode. Tomorrow I should be back to blue because the chocolate will have melted. Hopefully. I guess I see OLED. I think that's a good balance. Like my chocolate ears. You like my chocolate ears? Even though they're all melting. And they're actually melting. Even my glasses are melting. Uh-oh. Even my glasses are melting. Please help. Everything's melting. Sad times. Yeah, you're meant to be killed by the wiggle of fitness overload. And you can't tell me otherwise. That's good thing, Catholic. Also, Zafty, I don't know if you're aware, but where is it? That right. I don't have the stream deck button for it. Fine, I'll just turn it on myself. Well, yeah, aware that I'm doing a subathon next week. Next Monday, 25th to 26th. 24 hours. Subathon for my birthday. My hatch day, whatever you want to call it. Oh, you have a final. Oh, dang. That's unfortunate. I mean, you might have like one moment where you can just say hi, because it's like 24 hours. So, like of non-stop streaming. Maybe you'll find me sleeping in a bed. Because there's gonna be a sleep segment. But yeah, if you have ideas for the subathon, like sub goals or things like that, I'm still open for like some suggestions. In the Discord server, you have like a space where you can propose ideas. So feel free to propose stuff. And also, by that means as well, I should probably mention, because this is on a Monday and a Tuesday, Avatar Mondays next week is not gonna happen, for obvious reasons. But oh, you want a burb? Ooh. Nice. Maple has a maple syrup color. Ah, nice. Maple burb. I'd like to see that. And see how that's gonna turn out. Sounds very interesting as an idea. That's it. A Griff, a volley, Rito, or just no one. That's your choice. And I can't happen with that. Okay, next up I want to integrate some kind of glitch. You might want to steal my floopy ears. No, don't steal my floopy ears. Y'all steal my floopy ears. Also, I just need to go check something. I just remembered. I want to see if it's still glitched out. Is it still glitched out? Stream element is still glitched out. I just noticed. Because yesterday I don't... Like, one day soon enough, I plan to have some merch going. But for some reason, stream element is kind of glitchy on that front. And one merch idea. There you go, no blackout, just did burp. Yeah, Nightbot, you're right, there's no blackout here, there's just burp, there's just chunky burp. Oh, there I glitched out the window. Oh no. Why did you glitch out everything? Eh. Why is streaming so glitchy? There we go, now I can do it well. Just as an idea. Check this out. Coffee mug. Why do you think that coffee mug? There's even the shades. Yeah, it's still being made. I don't know why it's glitched. Like, I tried to create it, but it's not creating. Ah, let it run there. Yeah, I don't know why it does that, but I'm gonna find like a proper like fix for it and actually wrap it around properly. Because yeah, I love the pattern. It's like the pattern itself is cool, but the editor of Stream Elements makes it like not great. But yeah, you can hook up, and I have some like desk mats and everything, and mouse mats that I'm gonna like pull out soon. At one point, maybe before Oceans of Luma, aka Aqua, maybe. Okay, so noise generator. Let me take a look at how that looks. There we go. I would do here, I wonder. So I will call this glitch. Like I want like a glitching effect as well. So I want like, I'm gonna need two noise. One for like disrupting the UVs. And want to actually show it. Hey Tony. Again. I don't know what render data does. Ah! There you go. Is it moving? Ah! What I say is, why did it not name? Glitch titling. Damn man. Right, I need a time node too. I don't know, sleep. I got enough sleep, yeah, definitely. I see the hydrate. Hang on a second. Yeah. Ah, I forgot to break it in. There we go. Aha, little bigger. Fleshy. There we go. Anyway. With that redeem that just happened. 1 moment of silence, please. Refreshing. Yeah. I tried to beat a winter storm in Boston. Oof. That sounds great. No, not really, yeah. So that would be the glitch map. So why it glitches out, blah, 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 blah. It's gonna glitch. Like this. So I want to do a subtract of 0.5. And then multiply here with a float. Pitch density. And I could actually... I'll just do this, and I don't need an offset actually for this bit. I could put a toggle switch in between. One for X and one for Y. Is vertical glitch. Alright. Yes, Seffi, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, but I hope I won't melt too fast. No, hopefully not. It's a better cut. Yeah, I think my tuner's bad. Yeah, the AVIGEN tuner's bad. So now I can set horizontal or vertical. But if I give it a switch. There you go. Oh, actually, I just noticed. But on this is like a horizontal glitch, but I need also a vertical one. Like I need to set it here to be vertical too, not just here. But I can't actually do a reference. I can't actually reference it. So I need something else. You know what, I'll append. So if it is X, I want to offset X. The other one I want to offset Y. And I'm going to compare if this equals 1,000, which is set to 1,000 right now. Then send in the Y, I'll send in the X. And I'm gonna add this over here. And now this should work. This should work. Most definitely. Also, please avoid those words on the channel. So now, how does this look? Oh yeah, because it is super intense. Okay, this could be a mess right now. Also, right, I also need to single line, single line, single line, single line. There we go. Huh. Side single line. And I want to check the intensity. I'm gonna set it back to 1 for now. And see the glitch, how that happened. So let's be. Where's glitch intensity? Did I? It's a constant. That's why I did not see it, because it was a constant. Do I want to know where the HDMI connection goes? I don't want to know. Oh dear. Oh. Okay, so it's not supposed to go like this. And I think I know why. This goes back to our set. I'm gonna put this over here instead. Nope. Ah. I want to add, multiply, and then I'm flooring, but it's not actually working here. It is not actually working. Why isn't it working? Let me see what I'm getting here. Wait, it's still going vertical for some reason. That is interesting. But it's not supposed to... It's not supposed to oscillate vertically. This is interesting. It's not supposed to output. Because I'm seeing it was like green, which means it's vertical. As you can see here, it is vertical. It's not horizontal at all. But appending like this works. Happening like this does not. What? That's what the add here does not work. I'm wondering if I need to pixelate those. Just like I did for here. So to pixelate, I did these. Pass it there, pass the offset. I don't need that. And I'm passing the tiling. Now it's not going to do anything still. It's this here. Hopefully, it's going to pixelate good. Okay, yeah, it's not working. This is interesting. It's not working at all. I guess I can go figure that out later. For now, I do want to try and implement the gesture animations. So let's see. I really hope the animations still work. I really hope. So that would be a MDB AVIGEN gesture, if I remember correctly. I think. I mean, I can go check in my own avatar and see if that's the case. Dropping myself. Regular gestures. Yep, it is. It is gonna be gestures. So, animator, MD AVIGEN gestures. There we go. And I'll make a VR chat avatars parameters. I don't think I need to. Hey! Willis, hello! Thank you for the resub! The 5 months! Holy crap! Love the new look! Thank you! I mean, I'm shopkeeper, but I'm kinda melting away. Help. I'm probably gonna be melted by tomorrow, which is a problem. But maybe not, because I'm probably gonna become Blueberb again. Who knows? Thank you. Also, AVIGEN. Back at these. AVIGEN time. And I was trying to make the screen shaders. and tried to make the glitch, but failed miserably, so I'm gonna try and do the animations for now. I don't think I need these. I definitely don't need these ones here. So, let's see. I thought it was right. I can't remember. No, she didn't. No, it's just not. No. I don't know, Brisk, but I don't know what happened. I just became chocolate for some reason. I will never know how that happened. Okay, so I need to get the fold. Actually. Right, if... For the wing folds, I need ends, I just realized. Because there's two different types, and having bools, it might actually override one another. I could potentially make it work with bools, but I'm not sure. Because, yeah, an end takes way many more parameters. Like, instead of taking only, like, 4, I would need 16 memory. Which is way more intense. How could I actually achieve this? Like, there's no way I can achieve a bool, right? I might try a bool. There you go. So, one for headphones, one for legs. And one for knees. Let's see. This time I'm gonna put 1. And from there I need to drop in my animations. with this twitch. If I drop this... Those names are extremely long. Let me actually rename these. Those names are way too long. There we go. Just doing some renaming. There we go. Nice. Alright, drop this in. Okay, so now the feathers should potentially twitch. Oh boy. That's not how that's supposed to look. That's not what it's supposed to be. And same with these. What the heck happened there? What the heck happened there? What? Okay, let me check the animation then. Okay, I don't need any of these. And any of these either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Bicycle pose. Yes. Now the ears are fixed, but now why are they here? Huh. Yeah, I mean, let me remove the useless ones. Okay, this. Under there, under there, yeah. I think this works. Yeah. This looks more natural. So if I do FX, start pressing play, so they should be in this position by default. So once I switch to the other one, it should move. I mean, it should not move, but it should start rotating. Yeah, that works. There you go, that animation is fixed. It has like a little twitch from time to time. Very tiny one. And same on the head. Amen. There it is. Small twitch. So now for the gestures. I'm gonna need not a state machine, I'm gonna need an empty. Nothing inside. I wonder, should I try and do the setup without right defaults? Okay, so it's not like super necessary to turn it off, and I don't think in my case I'm gonna turn it off. That's right, so empty state. Left wing. So for that wing, I want inside wings. Okay, Okay, which one's left, which one's right? That is right. Nope. I want those two animations. Like this. So one is stuck, one is weapon. I can make a transition between here and here. This one I'll set when it's stuck. So left tuck is true. And that is left weapon. Also, my screen just flashed. I don't know. I don't want any weight on here. Like this. I got copy, paste. Can I not copy and paste? Ah, because they're over here. That explains it. Copy, paste. Over here. Pick a transition. Left. Actually, yeah, left. Fold. Tuck. And this one is going to be unfold. Tuck. And this one here is going to be the weapon fold. Like this. Now let me sure this has an exit time. So this wing left tuck false. Wing left weapon false. So one has no animation just yet. The moment I turn one of them on, it should switch to the animation, but I expect it to glitch out. And it did. I don't know why it places the things there. Like, is it going to like... is it because of the skill? I think it's a skill issue. I don't know why they're bugged out like that. Now I'm scared to what's gonna happen to this animation, but yeah, right, I actually have to go and modify those animations. Oh boy. But also, before that, you're gonna tell me, well, hold up a second, didn't you just put like the same animation twice in a row? Well, here's the thing. The second one is the inverse, so all I can do is just... Where is it? Wasn't that reverse? I thought it was a reverse. Hang on, I thought there was a reverse here. I thought there was a way to flip it. Let's fix the animation first, and then we can see. Then I can see, so. If I go here. Yeah, it's not gonna find these, which are the ones I need. So now I need to modify each of these to reflect the change in position. So the change in position is going to be all the way over there. Oh crap, but now that's gonna... Yeah, I feel like my whole thing's gonna be messed up because I changed the skill. Let me look into it. This one does not have the animations, no. Let me see. Because it's with the scale fix I done last time. I need to fix this. I do need to, I'm going to export it though. So, time to open Blender. And also, right, I also need to, change the parenting for the animation. No, hold up. Is that gonna even work? Hang on a second. I feel like that's... I just realized that's not gonna work. At least with the setup I have right now. Because all bones are moving, but the thing is, because I have to unparent from the arm, it's gonna completely mess up the animations. Because now it's completely unparented. Okay, so that's gonna require some kind of new setup inside Blender. Where's Blender? Because yeah, what I'm doing right now, I'm taking this whole like thing, like this whole thing, and I'm pretty much unparenting the entire thing. But that's not gonna work. So what I need to do Well, that's gonna be a rig change. Gonna have to change up the rig. Make it work. Alright, and I wanna print... Yeah, this to this. There you go, so now that's gonna be the parent of that animation. And I'll print this to this. Oop. It's already printed, it's good. Okay. So let me see if it messed up the animations. Okay, animation, it still works fine. So that's good. And then again... Okay, what am I exporting with? I. Wait. I'm gonna re-export like this. Selected object. Don't apply modifiers. I'm not gonna export with animations just yet. I want one without animation. And then one with. That one's gonna take a little bit. That one will take a bit. So let me go back to Unity. And show and explore this. And let's see if I messed up anything. I bet something's gonna be messed up once I click. Of course. Of course something's messed up. And none of these are showing. That's new. I've never seen that. I just saw another thing I want to check. Well, I'm gonna be at it. I want to check what's happening to the normal of that face. Because you can kind of see it's wait, why is it inverted now? Yeah, you can kind of see like it's not perfectly flat. Well, also this is inverted. This feels inverted. This is 100% inverted. Why so though? Huh. Okay, Blender's not done exporting. Right? So I can't actually test with the animations in the meantime. Maybe name this. Unpack. There we go. Yeah, just waiting for that file to change. Hopefully it does soon. That's the one I want to actually like stay as the root so that I can animate from within it. Because the coordinates inside there will not be modified. Like if I were to lock this so this stays here and move this outside, these are still identical, so the animation should still work. still exporting. So waiting for that. In the meantime, I'm gonna be putting those iron bones back. And the constraint too. Oh, and it is exported. So let me import that quick. There you go. Go. I have to be sure the import things are the same. So on this one, I'm not converting the units. Hey, look! Hey! A case of the Avatar Mondays. Thank you so much for the resub. 9 months. Holy crap. Welcome back to the Dead Birds. And to whatever this is. I'm making a robo burp. Hydrate. Thanks for the reminder. Yeah, how you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. While I suffer through animation madness. And shader madness too. Those beautiful eyes. Doing aight. Glad to hear that. Nice. I wonder if the skill's gonna be. Okay, good. The skill is good. Mike AVIGEN. Yes. AVIGEN. Mike AVIGEN. Yes. Very yes. Okay, where are those egg bones at? This one. Down to there. Then it's gonna be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same over here. My kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the tail. It's gonna be tail DB. Nothing else. Pitch capiche. Unlock tail DB and top DB. And then wing connectors. easy ones. Wing connector. And I want to remove the last 3. And same with this one. Ah. Wing connector. Capiche. Alright. And 11. Or 10. Or 9. Go, that's fixed. So now the skill, that's gonna be... Okay, that's too small. There we go. That's the skill. That's a better skill. So now, let me save this. Action gestures. So now, hopefully the animation is not gonna mess up. Okay, the dying bones are working. Touch these for some reason. But they're working, so my teams are still working. That's a good. That's a good. Good news. So yeah, now I do need to like get those parents going again. So parent constraint, add 1, that's the left, so lower, bam, activate. And then 1 for the right. This one, activate. And now this should be still working. It was still working. That's good. And one last other thing. I need to get the boat going again. That boat sucks. It always sucks. Eh. So that's gonna be the right bolt. Eh. Oopsie. Hold up a second, I just noticed. I put on the wrong one. Wrong one. Is it new? So now this should work again. Yeah. And then offset. Maybe do it again. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, it's working again. Now this should be a working. So I want to replace this prefab with this. Bam. Actually, before deleting and creating the prefab, I want to copy this. Paste as new. And then take the blueprint idea as well. Copy. Paste as new. Next runner is going to be this one. Alright, FX kaboom, gesture kaboom. Ooh, not pipeline manager. Hey, what was it? Ah, yeah, I did not set the values yet for these. Yeah, no. So I need to set these values. Essentially here. Here seems good. There we go. Nice. So that's fixed. I want to see if the idle animation works still. It is not. And I'm guessing... Oh, no, it is. It is. I just saw it move. Next one should be this one. Ah, yeah, right there. Okay, good. Still works. Where's the wing on? Wing just said nope. Parent! Can you please go and parent yourself correctly? That's the right. Thank you. Now it should be good. There we go. Nice. So this might still be broken. At least it did not mess up the animation. Let me see the other one actually. No, yeah, the other one I like deleted the other keyframes, but at the bottom row I did not. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it still breaks. For some reason. Oh, right, because I need to duplicate the animations first. Let me go see. Meshes. These ones. Bam. Okay, is there actually no other animation? No, that's it. Okay. Come on, Explorer. There you go. So now I want to go and clean up a bit. So I'm gonna go from the folders, animations, toggleable wings. Get these instead. Replace. The twitches, those work. But these ones need to be replaced too. Alright. There we go. Now, these animations should be up to date. They seem up to date. They are. And they did not mess up these either, which is very good news. So now I want to go in and... Hey, Floofy! Holy crap, with the rate of 17! I don't know why it always does the host. I really don't know why, but hey, thank you for the raid. Holy crap. Welcome, raiders. What is vibin'? Soundtrack. Welcome to my stream where I create. Why you gotta do me like this? Why you do me like this? Hey Jax! Hey, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the birds. Hey guys, everyone, welcome raiders. If you don't know me, I'm gonna interrupt the wiggles for a second. If you don't know me, I am Mike the Bird. I am a content creator that does everything by himself. I'm a game dev. So I do like the code, I do the assets, sprites, music, everything, etc. And I stream content creation like that weekly on different days. So yeah, if you're into that, then welcome. You're in the right place. Definitely. Now back to the ear wiggles. Bees. Big bees. And yeah, so today, for the raiders that just came in, I am currently streaming a series called Avatar Mondays, where I make avatars. And one of them that I'm making at the moment is the AVIGEN, which is an avatar base that I plan to sell for people to actually buy and do whatever the heck they want with it. So that's gonna be a beautiful avatar, I'm pretty sure. Man, I'm so excited for it to be released. And I was working a bit on the animations right now. Like the folding of the wings, which don't work just yet because I need to change the hierarchy quite a bit. That's gonna be fun. Relax and eat dinner, so I hope you have a good stream. Yee, thank you so much for the raid again. And have a wonderful dinner. Alright, I'm gonna delete some of these because I don't need some of these. What's the path right now? I'm gonna extend this quite a bit. That's gonna be fun to actually delete all of that. Oh no. So I need to delete this, and this should turn gray. Yes, indeed. So time to do that for all of these. Oh boy. That's gonna be fun. Hey, I already messed up one. Dang it, I messed up one. There you go. Fixed. Yeah, just on the AVIGEN. Yeah, mine is called the AVIGEN. I've heard of the AVIGEN before. If I remember, this is the a volley that has been converted to an a proton, right? I wonder if it was converted or made from scratch. But mine is like a full-on made from scratch. Like I did not copy from any other avatars. I did not copy from any other of my avatars. This is completely from scratch. Full-on from scratch design. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's just an absolute crack to work with. Just without these like parenting issues. And slight like quirks with VR chat. I don't know why, like, the editing of that string is so, like, peculiar. Like, you double click, nothing happens. You quadruple click by accident, nothing happens. You really have to triple click to actually edit it. This is, like, kind of annoying. That's definitely word use it. Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a paid base, just from a heads up. But, yeah. Have you narrowed in? Whoops. Wait, was that already? Wait, hold up a second. Was there something already called AVIGEN? If so, I was really not aware of it. And I really thought my name was clever. guess I might Google it later then. I'm the #1 result on Google. Well, I guess if I'm #1, then mission accomplished, I guess. Guys, I felt like my name was original, but I still had the feeling that, you know, it cannot be that easy to find a clever name these days that is 100% original. If there is actually another result called the AVIGEN. Is a Reddit post? Huh. Okay, I was totally not aware of it. Ah, okay. Okay, for a bird, like, I would imagine it's some kind of like just regular bird with a visor on it or something, and maybe some robotic wings. I would imagine something like that for like a more fair one. I got it, yeah. I would imagine like so. But yeah, I guess there are like two kinds of AVIGEN. There's the bird and the furry version. And I'm making the furry version right now, so deal with it. The proto-burb. Well, I guess my name is not original anymore. But I'll still kinda count it as original, because I really wasn't aware of it. Squawk chin. And the thing is, all the marketing material is already with AVIGEN, so that's not really going back with this. Oh god, this is really taking 5 years, huh? Oh no. This is taking forever. I mean, I'll have one wing soon done. Let's see if it's gonna work. So, which is this wing? So now it's just the left wing. Let's see if that's gonna be the tucked version. So it should fold and then clear. It's gonna be this one though. I really hope the animation works. I'm seeing a bunch of keyframes, so this is a good sign. Let's go a little bit forward. Oh dear. Oh my god, it actually worked first. Let's go! It worked! Okay, that's the tucked version, yeah, so that makes sense. Let's go! That worked. So time to go and remove these ones now. And that's gonna be the tucked one done, but I still need the weapon one after. And this is taking absolutely forever. There we go. I mean, I'm open for talking. Because this is taking 5 years. Also, how close are we to that Beat Minecraft? We're 9 followers away from Beat Minecraft Randomizer. That's nice. Actually, if I go on Twitch, is the count accurate or some peeps unfollow me like? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to adjust the count to a 388, not 391. How dare you unfollow? To whoever unfollowed in the past weeks. There you go. There you go. This is boring time. Boy. Okay, almost done with that wing and the tuck animation. That's good. Oh, no. Wrong name. Why didn't you delete this? Thank you. Why do you delete like that? Why do you say yes? Bad. Thank you. There you go. And what could what could we talk about while I delete those strings? How was all your Easter weekends, everyone? Hopefully you had a good Easter. Fun, good chocolate or whatever candy surprise you might have had during this beautiful weekend. Like, my weekend started, like, quite, like, not super great, if I'm gonna be honest, but everything climbed back up towards the end, so pretty nice. So as someone said, was it during yesterday's stream? I don't remember. Pretty much what happened when you eat chocolate, but the inverse. And that's how I would describe my weekend. Drank too much and got the single worst hangover I ever had. Oops. Oops. Oh no. That doesn't sound good. I'm so sorry about that, man. Aye. Now both sides should fold. In theory. Okay, only one did. Ash, I did all that for nothing. Ah, Black Cat, no, Black Cat, how can you? Black Cat, please do your job. I'm focused here, trying to make a good animation here. There you go, there's the Floofy Phoenix shadow. That's what I'm talking about. Actually, there's something going on here. Okay, so one of them is completely useless, actually, I just noticed. Yeah, one of the wings is actually completely useless. There should be the other. This should be the other kind of fold. And I just realized, how is that ways I can flip the animation? VR time. Have a good night. Oh, have a good night, Willis. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, now I'm wondering, that's what I'm wondering here. If I set the speed to -1, will it work? I hope it works. It does. All right. So, whoop. Nice. Is it set to be looping? No. There. So that should fold better now. And it should be instant. No, it's not. Okay, so I need an empty state after this. You know what? Maybe I can, like, uncheck right defaults. Well, none of these. Instead of having the transition to this, I do it to this. Then this, no exit time. I do wing left tuck, false. And the bottom one is going to be the wing left weapon, false. I can uncheck right default. And this one I could actually right default. Potentially. So now if I play this, that folds, and I can immediately swap back. So if I do this, wait, and then click again. Okay, there you go. Now it does the transition immediately. So that's going to be the animation setup for the wings. Now I just gotta fix all those animations. I really don't know why the preview does this though. It's so weird. So weapon folded to the left. So here we go again. There we go again. Actually, this one seems to load the animations faster, so that's good. Still gonna take a buttload of time, but it's gonna be faster. There you go. In a rhythm right now. There we go. There we go. Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Makes up Fred says something. Go make this or something. Just I guess. You feel like eating, then go eat something. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, so this should be the weapon fold. Yep. And this one works fine. What? And this one... Okay, now it displays fine. Okay then. But now, the wing left chuck. Boom. And then right chuck is not done yet, but left weapon. Ah, I need to flip this animation though. Reverse -1. There you go. Left weapon. Lamb. Alright. And notice if I do the left tuck, it's not working yet. Because this one is active. So it needs to be like this first. And same if I do the other side. But now this is where it's gonna get interesting. If I do this, out of behavior, motion parameters on this and other animation. Huh. So when this is set, the weapon, I want to change tuck to false. And when this is set, I want to set weapon to false. Actually, huh? Hey, hold on. Like, does it show in the editor? If I do left tuck, I'm gonna do this and let's see. It doesn't work within the editor, it seems like. Okay, let me check actually how that works. State behaviors. Parameter driver will set the value of any given parameter defined in this playable layer as defined. This is probably meant for expression parameters and their aliases. Is the parameter driver that I use? I don't think it's... Okay, so yeah, it should technically set it to this. It should set it to that. It should. But that's gonna be tested in VRChat though. And this transition over here, I want the transition if wing left weapon is false. Actually, let me remove these. I'm gonna make a transition like this. Oh, nope. Right, and this I want to do if the left weapon. I know this is the weapon one, right? Yeah, that one's a weapon. So if I do tuck true, and this one weapon true, and in this behavior. And now I can add the behavior. Parameter driver, add one, and I want to set tuck true. Actually, no. This is when, okay, when tuck is true, I want to set here weapon false, and here I want to set tuck to false. So now in theory, inside the game, what's gonna happen inside VRChat? Over here, you set, let's say, tuck to true. It's gonna go above, stop here. If you set tuck to false, it's gonna run over here, unfold the tuck, exit, and go back here. And that's it. So it's gonna be in that state. And if you do this, it goes in this one, exits, and goes back to the beginning, and stops here. But if you were to enable weapon instead, it will go up here because here left weapon true, goes here. The behavior would disable weapon. Actually, no, this one would disable tuck. Once that animation is finished, goes to exit, goes back at the front. But because now left weapon is enabled, it goes to weapon. And because these got updated, good, like these got updated fine. In VR chat, in the menu, it should still stay, it should be updated as well in the radio menu. That's the idea. But let's see. So if I do this, that's tucked. Alright, and goes to that state. If I do weapon, it goes to weapon. And then I can uncheck that, it goes here. Let's say I do weapon, but then I do tuck. It would do this. But now the problem is that the behavior does not actually work inside the editor. So it's gonna loop. But usually what it would do, I would check this in the radio menu and it would uncheck this automatically. And same if I were to do here, it will uncheck like that. That's the idea. There you go, those are named. I can copy this into another animator for the right wing this time. There you go. There you go. Perfect. So now with this, instead of being fold left, I want fold right. So it's gonna be this one. This one. This one. And over here. So. And now wing left weapon, I need to set to wing right weapon. Wing right tuck. Wing left, wing right. Tuck, wing right tuck. Wing right weapon. Wing right tuck. That seems good. Wing right tuck and weapon. There you go, those animators are now set. So these are set. So now I just need to fix the animations of this. If I go to... Right, okay, now I just need to fix these. Boop. All right. Yeah, crap, here we go again. There you go. And we're back at it. Hey, Frostbite, hello. Welcome to the stream of boredom. Trying to fix the hierarchy of animators. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. While I suffer through this animator fix. But it's gonna be well worth it because the animation for the wings work a-okay. There you go. There you go. You like the cyber wings? Yeah. Like, let me show how the wings fold, because the folds work. Check this out. That's how they fold. I'm very happy with how that turned out. Blade fold effect, yep. Pretty much. And I think it looks really sick. And there's even that little wobble at the end of the fold or unfold that really adds a little detail, thanks to the diagonal bones. That should soon be the right wing almost. There you go. Almost fixed for one of the animations. So... Ah! This is not the boobs, not the Chucky Bird boob. That's one done. Okay, time for the other animation. It's the final stretch. Yeah, I can boop again. Don't do it. Okay, so that was Tuck, right? I think. No, it was Tuck. There we go. Nice. That works. The Tuck works. Ooh. Never mind. I broke something. Huh. Interesting. Huh. Why does it do that? Do I have a right default somewhere? I might have a right default somewhere actually. No, I don't. Don't make defaults. Eh? Why does it do that? Huh. What? Let me bang bang. Okay, with right defaults, it's not glitching out like last time. Yeah, I'm gonna go finish fixing the animations and I'm gonna add like middle idols, I think. Okay, it's only affecting the left. And same here. I don't know why it does that. Like, they don't sync because you can actually modify both of the wings separate. That's the thing, you can do each wing separate if you wanted to. That's why they don't sync, and like my variables here, yeah. So I need like another state and another like 2 bools to actually set, alright, you want to fold them both or not? Yeah, it requires some more like Boolean work, but as long as the main animation works for tonight, it's gonna work, because I have to work on location tomorrow. So I don't have the entire night as per the usual streams. Like usually because I work on location tomorrow, I would need to go right now. But I want to finish at least making the animations work and then take off. So it's just a question of fixing these here. Which might take a little bit of time again. But the animator is not actually working exactly as I thought it would, like with the not right defaults. Like, it works as expected on each of the wings separate, but both at the same time it glitches out. I really don't know why it does that. There we go. 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 All right. That took a while, but these should technically be working. Let me go and disable the right defaults again. Yeah, that's very interesting. Like, the animation plays, but it's not playing. What happens if I uncheck this? Now it is set to the... Huh. That is very interesting. What is that if I set it to additive? Both of them. It should put... I don't think it's gonna work like that. Oh dear lord, no. The additive is not a solution here. Maybe the mask? Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna do right defaults with an end idle animation. So if I take, yeah, any of these, tucked idle, that's the right wing though, left wing. Tucked idle right. This one. I gotta get a weapon one. Weapon for left. Idle. There we go. And a right. So I am gonna check right defaults on all of these. And hopefully it works. I'm just gonna go modify the animation now. So idle, delete all the keyframes except the last ones. Look at this. And do the same for the right. All keyframes gone. Start. Continue. All keyframes gone. Start. All keyframes gone. Move to start. And finally, I can do a wings idle left. And an idol, right. So idle left is the reverse, so delete every single keyframe after the first one. There you go. So now there is an idle set. Let's see how that looks. So if I tuck this, yep, there you go. Weapon fold. Yep, let's check the other wing. Yep, and then this. Alright, now the question is, how is it looking with like everything rolling at the same time? Seems to be working pretty fine. Okay. So this is with right defaults. What happens if I turn them off? Seems to work fine. Alright then. Well then, I think that that works. Nice. Really nice. Very cool. Nice. All right. Well, I think with this, I'm probably gonna end up the stream here. But yeah, it works. The wings are animated now. So my next step for next episode, which as a reminder, next week there's not gonna be an Other Mondays episode because it's gonna be my subathon on the 25th, which is a Monday. So obviously there's some little schedule conflict, but yeah, I'm gonna run a subathon next week, and in 2 weeks, there goes my tracker. In 2 weeks, it's gonna be time for making more stuff for the AVIGEN. But yeah, next week's subathon, and I'll be playing games. I'll be doing stuff for the community. Hey there, hello, hey, nice proto Jenny, thank you. I mean, okay, well, my tracker died, so I can't really point at you. But, yeah, Pearl Gen. Well, it's a bird. It's not, I mean, it's a Pearl Gen, but I call it the AVIGEN. Which is a base I plan to sell once it's done. And deadline is for the Aqua, which is mid-June. But I kind of want to do it maybe start of June. Hopefully. And it's really going well so far in terms of progress. Even those screens. The eyes are screens. And soon these are gonna be screens. These are gonna be screens. And these are gonna be screens. And these too. But yeah, next week, no Avatar Mondays because subathon. So I'll be playing games, I'll be like doing a community sleep segment, I guess, as well. It's gonna be fun. And if you want like to throw suggestions, then don't hesitate to go in the Discord server and propose stuff in there. Because yeah, I'm open for ideas. Also, I think the bot's dead. There it is. But yeah, propose ideas in there, and I give until Wednesdays to actually get the ideas so I can build a schedule of. And I do have some ideas as well, which are pretty much confirmed in my head. But for now, it's gonna be the end of the stream, and yes, I'm not moving because my tracker died. You see, it is what it is. Damn it. Just stuck here, someone help. I'm just frozen. I think the chocolate is dying. I think my chocolate is melting so much it's actually making me unable to move. So I guess it's gonna be the last stream that I'll be chocolate. Because now I'm just stuck like this and it's just melting away. So everyone, it's gonna be time to say goodbye to the chocolate and say tomorrow hi again to the regular burb. But for now, let's go see who to raid. So let me open up my Twitch and check up is there. And let's go say hi to Mikur as well. I guess. Yes, Mikur. Always the streamer I raid at the end of my art streams. But they're doing art. And beautiful one. So yeah, don't forget the little squawk in the chat. And yeah, let's go say hi to Mikur. But until tomorrow, stay safe, and I will catch you soon. See ya, peeps!